Hey everyone and welcome back. This video demonstrates Naïve Bayes classifier in Python. Let's begin. Applications of Naïve Bayes classifier. Naïve Bayes classifier can be used in real-time predictions. Naïve Bayes is an eager learning classifier, thus it is very fast. It could be used for making predictions in real time. It can be used for multi-class predictions as well. This algorithm is well known for its multi-class prediction features. Here we can predict the probability of multi-class variable of the target variable. We can use it in spam filtering, sentiment analysis, text classification as well as recommendation systems. In this example, we will use the dummy dataset with 3 columns: weather, temperature and play. The first two features, weather and temperature, and the last one is a label. Next is encoding the features. First we need to convert these string labels into numbers. For example, overcast, sunny, rainy, etc. is to be converted into numbers 0, 1, 2. This is known as label encoding. Scikit-learn provides label encoder library for encoding labels with a value between 0 and 1 less than the number of discrete classes. Similarly, we will also encode the temp and play columns. Now we will combine both the features weather and temp into a single variable, that is, we will create a list of tuples. Next, we will generate a model using the Naïve Bayes classifier. We use the following step. First, we will create a Naïve Bayes classifier. Then we will fit the dataset in the classifier. Next, we will perform the prediction. Here, 1 indicates that players can play.